remember where she put things. And it made her very upset. So, I thought that maybe it was my fault because I had so many toys around and my room was usually a mess. But Mom told me, Grandma can't remember things because she has an illness called Alzheimer's disease. Last summer, Grandma started putting things in funny places. That summer, just before first grade, it was very sunny and hot. One morning, I woke up very thirsty. So I went to the refrigerator. Do you know what I found? A pair of pink underwear. They were right there between the milk carton and the juice. Grandma had draped them over the watermelon we had bought for our 4th of July party. I bet you think I was surprised. But no, I've gotten used to things being mixed up in my house. I started worrying if I could catch Alzheimer's disease. But Mom sat down and explained, no one can catch Alzheimer's disease from another person. It's just something that went wrong with the chemicals in Grandma's brain. The cells in Grandma's brain can't always flow and catch the messages the way they should. Healthy brain cell. Then I asked Grandma to go out with me for a walk. Walking outdoors always makes her feel better. When we go out together, I stay very close to Grandma to keep her safe. She has been forgetting more and more things recently. Sometimes Grandma becomes frightened by silly little things. It's because they look different to her. Maybe the little kitten looks like a ferocious lion. When this happens, I try to make Grandma feel better by telling her all about what I did at school. Pretty soon, she forgets about being afraid. In October, everyone in first grade class was looking forward to Halloween. I was going to dress up as a witch for trick or treat. I had a great costume all ready. When Grandma saw me dressed as a witch, she got terrified and started crying. I had to change my clothes and I couldn't go out for trick or treat at all. I was really angry at Grandma. The next day, I felt sorry. I was angry at Grandma and then I felt guilty because I know it's not her fault. I'm sorry that I got angry with Grandma, but I'm also sad that my Halloween was spoiled. As soon as we found out that Grandma was missing, we called the police. They found Grandma and brought her home. Thank you for finding Grandma. Now we have a bell on our door, so we know if anyone goes in or out. At the end of the school year, my first grade class put on a play. Grandma came with us. She was doing very well that day and said she was very proud of me. She was very nice to my friends and told them about what it was like when she was in school. But the trip made her very tired and she forgot to go to the bathroom. I was so embarrassed that Grandma wets the seat and I had to explain it to my friends. She can't help it because she has Alzheimer's disease. Grandma can't really stay home anymore all by herself. So she goes to the Adult Memory Daycare Center a few days each week. I help her get on the daycare center's bus before I go to school in the morning. I always wave goodbye and say, I love you, Grandma.